Trump extends the Iran ceasefire indefinitely while Boeing delivers a massive turnaround earnings beat. Welcome. This is Daily Market in 3 minutes. Let's dive in Wall Street. The S&P 500 rallied 57 points to 7,120. The Nasdaq jumped 245 points to 24,500. The Dow climbed 410 points to 49,560. For the Magnificent Seven, Amazon gained 2% following a massive new artificial intelligence investment pledge. Apple dropped 2% on executive transition news. Nvidia shed 1%. Tesla fell 2% ahead of earnings. The technology and industrials groups won the session, with each sector gaining well over 1%. Healthcare was the lone losing sector, dropping slightly on profit-taking. Bitcoin surged nearly 4% past $78,500. Gold rose slightly to $4,750. Silver jumped almost 2% to $78. West Texas Intermediate crude climbed over 1% to $91. President Trump extended the Iran ceasefire indefinitely today. This removed immediate military escalation fears, sparking a broad relief rally in equities and fueling the massive crypto breakout. However, the Strait of Hormuz remains physically blocked, which is exactly why crude oil prices stayed stubbornly high instead of dropping. Boeing delivered an unexpected first-quarter earnings beat driven by higher commercial deliveries. This sent Boeing shares soaring 4%. Because the Dow is price-weighted, this single stock jump directly drove the Dow's outperformance and lifted the broader industrial sector. General Electric Vernova raised its annual revenue guidance, citing massive power equipment demand from artificial intelligence data centers. The stock skyrocketed nearly 14%. This reinforced the infrastructure narrative and pushed the technology and industrial sectors higher today. The 10-year Treasury yield ticked down to 4.3%. The 10 to 2-year curve spread steepened to positive 22 basis points. The dollar index rose to 98. The VIX dropped 4% to 19.4. This deflating volatility and stable bond market gave risk assets room to run today. The CNN Fear and Greed Index jumped 20 points recently to hit 72, entering the greed zone for the first time since last July. This reflects returning optimism but serves as a contrarian warning of potential overbought conditions. Looking at the horizon, the market outlook remains cautiously bullish as major indexes sit just below their all-time record highs. However, structural inflation risks tied to the Middle East energy disruptions and hawkish signals from the Federal Reserve continue to keep the broader trading environment somewhat fragile. For your watch list, Tesla releases its crucial first-quarter earnings report tonight. Tomorrow, markets will monitor the United States Flash Purchasing Managers Index. Finally, weekly jobless claims drop tomorrow to provide a labor market pulse. As always, this video is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice. Please like and subscribe for more. See you next time.